Hello, 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 and welcome to Teacher Tidbits. I'm Lady Long, and I'm super excited to be sharing our 12 days of Christmas crafts. This Christmas craft is all about these adorable gift ornaments. They're super simple to recreate. Before we get started, make sure you hit the subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and hit the notification so you won't miss a post. Okay guys, so to get started, let's show you what you need. You're going to need a pair of scissors handy, as well as some dense foam. I actually picked these up from Dollar Tree in the garden section. You're going to need some colored push pins, any color of your choice to go with your particular color scheme for the holidays, and some duct tape. Now I just have here some plain white duct tape, but again, you can specify this to go with your particular color scheme. Now I was super excited to find most of these materials I have here from the Dollar Tree and Walgreens. And this foam, again, is from the garden section. Is really used for plants or just kind of using I think like artificial plants in any type of way, but it doesn't matter as long as you have something that's dense where the tacks won't come out the other end. So the first thing you're going to do is cover your foam with the duct tape. Now, this was my first time around, and I was trying to figure out the best way to kind of get the lines as seamless as possible. And I do want to show you guys, if you're going to be using this particular foam, it is a little grainy, but the duct tape does stick. So I wanted to show you guys that. So the first time around I went vertically, and then I went across horizontally. But for the rest of them, I think I'm going to go across horizontally first. So this is how it looks completed. All I've done is taken some gold ribbon that I've used in my other crafts. Please be sure to check out the other videos in this 12 Days of Christmas series. I can list them down in the description box below. But I've put in some gold ribbons as well as some bows, and the kids are going to help me complete this. And so I've gone ahead and made some little polka dots with some markers to match the color of the push pins. And so the kids are going to practice sticking the bows onto the ribbon, as well as placing the correct push pin to the right color. Now, for those of you who are just joining me for the first time, you may not know this about me, but I love things that are dual purpose. And so having a craft that the children can help me do independently that can double as a fine motor activity is a win-win. And so we're going to take these to the little kiddos and see how they do decorating these gifts. And so I've gone ahead and divvied out the push pins as well as the gift ornaments and let the kids go to work. Now I will say this. In the video you see here my 3-year-old, I have 2 3-year-olds and I have 2 1.5-year-olds. So do be mindful. Do this at your own discretion, whatever you're comfortable with, but you want to heavily monitor the little ones with these push pins. And this is how they look completed. The kids absolutely love it. I am stunned with how they turned out, and they're super excited to put them on their Christmas trees. So for the final touch, I've gone ahead and just cut out some twine. You can use any string to go along with your decor. And I've added it to the top as well with another push pin to really secure it, to hold it in place so that it is ready to be hung on our Christmas tree. So there you have it, you guys, our super cute, super simple gift ornament that doubles as a push pin activity. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to leave a comment if you're going to give this a try, and watch the videos all the way to the end of this series to see how all our crafts come together. This is Teacher Tidbits. Happy learning!